Hey friends, I've got my Super Brand 5.2 surfboard here. This is a 5-fin setup. You can see you can go quad fin, tri-fin, or I've got it currently in a twin fin setup. Future fin boxes. So on today's video, I want to show you how we're going to swap these out. You can see these fins are getting pretty gnarred up, and I want to get a new set on. We're going to be using the UPSURF new fins here. You can actually see they're the future style with a honeycomb center, and you can purchase them on Amazon actually for really a budget-friendly price. So let me show you how easy it is to swap out these future style fins. So you will need a fin key for these. I had one in my little wax comb there. I'm going to go ahead and take the screws out. There's only a single screw, which is kind of nice, up here at the front of the fin. We'll just loosen that up. Now you may have to loosen this up pretty good. Again, you want it to be able to unhook from that front of the fin. And as I pull this out here, you can see the little notch where that screw pushes into. So let's go ahead and take these off and remove these old ones. Then we'll take our new fin. I'm actually going to put the label on the outside. And then what you should do is push it in from the back here. Again, you want to slot it into that space in the back first, and then the front should push down just fine. Once it's slotted in correctly and down in the box, we can go ahead and turn this key to the clockwise position and get it nice and tight and slotted into space. And then that is now locked in there. So again, super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and reset this up as a twin fin. But again, this specific pack does come with 3 in case you wanted to do the tri-fin setup. Again, lots of really good options for that budget-friendly price. Again, you can find these right here on Amazon. We'll put a link in the description box below. Stay tuned, we got a ton of these little product tutorial videos and all sorts of fun tool DIY projects, adventure projects. We'll see you again on the next one.